سورة الجن.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قل أوحي إلي أنه استمع نفر من الجن فقالوا إنا سمعنا قرآنا عجبا.
Say, it has been revealed to me that a group of jinn listened. They said, verily we have heard a wonderful recitation.
يهدي إلى الرشد فآمنا به ولن نشرك بربنا أحدا.
It guides to the right path, and we have believed therein, and we shall never join in worship anything with our Lord.
وأنه تعالى جد ربنا ما اتخذ صاحبة ولا ولدا.
And He, exalted is the majesty of our Lord, has taken neither a wife nor a son.
وأنه كان يقول سفيهنا على الله شططا.
And that the foolish amongst us used to utter against Allah that which was an enormity in falsehood.
وَأَنَّا ظَنَنَّا أَن لَّن تَقُولَ الْإِنسُ وَالْجِنُّ عَلَى اللَّهِ كَذِبًا.
And verily, we thought that men and jinn would not utter a lie against Allah.
وَأَنَّهُ كَانَ رِجَالٌ مِّنَ الْإِنسِ يَعُوذُونَ بِرِجَالٍ مِّنَ الْجِنِّ فَزَادُوهُمْ رَهَقًا.
And verily, there were men among mankind who took shelter with the males among the jinn, but they increased them in sin and transgression.
وَأَنَّهُمْ ظَنُّوا كَمَا ظَنَنْتُمْ أَن لَّن يَبْعَثَ اللَّهُ أَحَدًا.
And they thought, as you thought, that Allah would not send any messenger.
وَأَنَّا لَمَسْنَا السَّمَاءَ فَوَجَدْنَاهَا مُلِئَتْ حَرَسًا شَدِيدًا وَشُهُبًا.
And we have sought to reach the heaven, but found it filled with stern guards and flaming fires.
وَأَنَّا كُنَّا نَقْعُدُ مِنْهَا مَقَاعِدَ لِلسَّمْعِ فَمَنْ يَسْتَمِعِ الْآنَ يَجِدْ لَهُ شِهَابًا رَصَدًا.
And verily, we used to sit there in stations to steal a hearing, but any who listens now will find a flaming fire watching him in ambush.
وَأَنَّا لَا نَدْرِي أَشَرٌّ أُرِيدَ بِمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ أَمْ أَرَادَ بِهِمْ رَبُّهُمْ رَشَدًا.
And we know not whether evil is intended for those on earth, or whether their Lord intends for them a right path.
وَأَنَّا مِنَّا الصَّالِحُونَ وَمِنَّا دُونَ ذَلِكَ كُنَّا طَرَائِقَ قِدَدًا.
There are among us some that are righteous, and some the contrary. We are groups having different ways.
وَأَنَّا ظَنَنَّا أَن لَّن نُّعْجِزَ اللَّهَ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَن نُّعْجِزَهُ هَرَبًا.
And we think that we cannot escape Allah in the earth, nor can we escape Him by flight.
وَأَنَّا لَمَّا سَمِعْنَا الْهُدَىٰ آمَنَّا بِهِ فمن يؤمن بربه فلا يخاف بخسا ولا رهقا.
And indeed, when we heard the guidance, we believed therein. And whosoever believes in his Lord shall have no fear, either of a decrease in the reward of his good deeds, or an increase in the punishment for his sins.
وَأَنَّا مِنَّا الْمُسْلِمُونَ وَمِنَّا الْقَاسِطُونَ فَمَنْ أَسْلَمَ فَأُولَئِكَ تَحَرَّوْا رَشَدًا.
And of us are Muslims, and of us are disbelievers. And whosoever has embraced Islam, then such have sought the right path.
وَأَمَّا الْقَاسِطُونَ فَكَانُوا لِجَهَنَّمَ حَطَبًا.
And as for the disbelievers, they shall be firewood for hell.
وَأَن لَّوْ اسْتَقَامُوا عَلَى الطَّرِيقَةِ لَأَسْقَيْنَاهُم مَّاءً غَدَقًا.
If they had believed in Allah and went on the right way, we would surely have bestowed on them water in abundance.
لِنَفْتِنَهُمْ فِيهِ وَمَن يُعْرِضْ عَن ذِكْرِ رَبِّهِ يَسْلُكْهُ عَذَابًا صَعَدًا.
That we might try them thereby, and whosoever turns away from the reminder of his Lord, he will cause him to enter a severe torment.
وَأَنَّ الْمَسَاجِدَ لِلَّهِ فَلَا تَدْعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ أَحَدًا.
And the mosques are for Allah, so invoke not anyone along with Allah.
وَأَنَّهُ لَمَّا قَامَ عَبْدُ اللَّهِ يَدْعُوهُ كَادُوا يَكُونُونَ عَلَيْهِ لِبَدًا.
And when the slave of Allah stood up invoking him in prayer, they just made round him a dense crowd, as if sticking one over the other.
قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَدْعُو رَبِّي وَلَا أُشْرِكُ بِهِ أَحَدًا.
Say, I invoke only my Lord, and I associate none as partners along with him.
قُلْ إِنِّي لَا أَمْلِكُ لَكُمْ ضَرًّا وَلَا رَشَدًا.
Say, it is not in my power to cause you harm or to bring you to the right path.
قُلْ إِنِّي لَن يُجِيرَنِي مِنَ اللَّهِ أَحَدٌ وَلَنْ أَجِدَ مِن دُونِهِ مُلْتَحَدًا.
Say, none can protect me from Allah's punishment, nor can I find refuge except in Him.
إِلَّا بَلَاغًا مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرِسَالَاتِهِ وَمَن يَعْصِ اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ فَإِنَّ لَهُ نَارَ جَهَنَّمَ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا.
Mine is but conveyance of the truth from Allah and His messages, and whosoever disobeys Allah and His messenger, then verily for him is the fire of hell, and he shall dwell therein forever.
حتى إذا رأوا ما يوعدون فسيعلمون من أضعف ناصرا وأقل عددا.
Till, when they see that which they are promised, then they will know who it is that is weaker concerning helpers and less important concerning numbers.
قل إن أدري أقريب ما توعدون أم يجعل له ربي أمدا.
Say, I know not whether which you are promised is near, or whether my Lord will appoint it for a distant term.
عالم الغيب فلا يظهر على غيبه أحدا.
He alone is the all-knower of the unseen, and he reveals to none his unseen.
إلا من ارتضى من رسول فإنه يسلك من بين يديه ومن خلفه رصدا.
Except to a messenger whom he has chosen, and then he makes a band of watching guards to march before him and behind him.
ليعلم أن قد أبلغوا رسالات ربهم وأحاط بما لديهم وأحصى كل شيء عددا.
He protects them till he sees that they have conveyed the messages of their Lord, and he surrounds all that which is with them, and he keeps count of all things.